I just found out a background remover tool that I've never shared on this channel before. This background remover tool is so perfect. This background remover tool produces sharp and clear images with removed background. Like, it is totally free, and everything about this background remover tool is just so perfect. In this video, I will show you the background remover tool, and I will show you how you can use that background remover tool to remove your video. Stick around, stay with me, and ensure that you follow through this tutorial to the end so that you don't miss out on any important details. I will see you in the video. Alright, so let's go straight away to our Chrome, our browser. You can use any browser for these, maybe the Samsung browser or whatever browser you have access to. I'm sure it will work for this, right? So I just come to my Chrome, right, because I use Chrome here, and then I will just you can just search for Adobe background remover, right? Adobe background remover, right? So this is it, and then let's wait for it to load. All right, so it has loaded already. Now this is it, right? This is it. Look at the Adobe logo here. So just tap on this, right? Let's wait for it to load. All right, so now we've got this. Look at this. We have free image background remover and free to use, no credit card required. So this is absolutely free. This is totally free. Now the next thing you are going to do here is to tap on this upload your photo. Ensure that you follow my cursor carefully, right? Most likely you will be asked to log in. You'll be asked to log in into your Adobe account, and that is quite simple to do. So if you don't have an Adobe account, ensure that you create one. It's very simple and it's very easy to create. Just sign in, right? Just sign up, and you can always use it for every of your Adobe software, whatever you want to do with Adobe, right? So that is what you are going to do in this stage. Let's wait for this to load. All right, so it has finished loading. Now let me say this: if your if the page is taking time to load, that could probably be because of your network. But if your network is very okay and yet it is still taking long for it to show this page, you can just do what I did here, which is I changed this to a desktop site. So if you are using Chrome browser, and I think every other browser also has this feature, but for Chrome browser, this is where we have it. Just tap on desktop site, and then you'll be able to change it to the desktop site. So this is the desktop site, right? Now you tap on this. Ideally, you should see this on your screen. Now if you do not see this on your screen, ensure that you sign in, right? I told you already that ensure that you create your Adobe account, sign up. It is very simple, it is free, and it is totally seamless. It is quite easy, right? So you should see this page. Now when you see this page, just tap on this upload image, right? Tap on that upload image, and then all you have to do here is to go to your files, right? Then you can now click on whatever image you want to bring in, right? You can click on whatever image you want to bring in. The image I want to bring in here is under Adobe Lightroom. Yes, it's under here. So sorry. All right, now this is the image I want to bring in. Look at it. This is the image I want to bring in, this particular image. Just pay attention to my cursor. So I'm going to tap on this. I'm going to tap on it, and then it is uploading my file already. So let's wait for it to finish uploading. This is going to take some time, right? But then I'm not going to skip this because I want you to see how it's going to be like, right? So it is uploading the file already. Depending on how fast your network is, this should not take so much time. All right, so it is removing the background, it is refining the edges, it is mixing some ads. Guys, it has removed the background. See how perfect this is. Let me see if I can zoom. I think I can zoom in. Look at this. Is crazy. This is crazy, guys. This is crazy. So let me download it, right? Let me download it. Now you most likely not be able to download this if you do not sign in, right? That is why I've been mentioning sign in since the beginning of this almost at the beginning of this video. Now you can decide to edit this before you download it. Look at it here. Open in Adobe Express, but I don't want to do that because this video is just to show you how to remove the background. Then you can just click on download, and like I said, you have to either sign up or you have to sign in. So I have an account already, so I'm just going to sign in quickly. All right, so I'm signing in already, and let's wait for it again to sign in. Ideally, if network is very okay in your area, this should not take this long. Now at this point, if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe so that you would not miss my next content, because my next content is also a very amazing content that you do not even want to miss. Then ensure that you also give this video a like, a thumbs up, so that YouTube can recommend this video to more persons, right? Please do that right away. Do that now, do that now, do that now. All right, so your download is complete, and then like you can see already, it has downloaded, right? Look at it here. This is 9.87 MB. So let me click on it, and then let's see it. Let's see what we have here. Let's check out our image. Look at it. The background has been removed here, guys. See how perfect the quality is, guys. See how perfect the quality is. Look at the edges. Look at how perfect the edges are. This is the best background remover, smartphone background remover I've ever seen. This is mind-blowing, guys. Let's check the image. All right, let's check it in gallery and let's see what we've got. Yeah, this is what it looks like in my gallery, and then see, this is superb, guys. This is superb. This is very amazing. Right now, let me know what you think about this in the comment. I would love to read your comment. I would love to know what you think. I would love to know if this is really mind-blowing, because to me this is superb, right? Because I've used a couple of background remover apps, and I mean I've shared some on this channel, and if you've been following my videos, you will agree that this is really amazing. But then I would love to know what you think in the comment section. Thank you for watching this. I'm going to see you in the next one.